Hello everyone, and here's what I'm working on today. So I took these cattle panels here down. They were just leaned up against this end of the garden where I would like to be able to get in on this side, and I have made these gates, and some of them are attached. They're just attached with lengths of copper wire that I took out of an electric cable. Just strip that wire. So if you're doing electrical work and you have some cable laying around, those copper lengths in there are really handy in the garden. They made excellent hinges for the one side of a gate, and on the other side they make good loops to loop the top over the T-post at the top to keep the gate closed. So I had to take the gates off of these two ends right here, and that's what I'm doing right now. My mom was just here. She helped me lay those down, and some of them had the grass like that growing up through them, and I had to have my husband remove them because they were just, I couldn't pull them out. And the reason I'm taking those down, and then I'll have to take that one down as well, and then the next one needs to come down just to have fence added, is I'm taking this plastic hexagon green fencing off. And I guess this stuff might have its place, but I will never use this for anything again. I used it to cover the bottom of my gates so that rabbits and animals couldn't get through, and all they did was chew a nice big hole in there. It's not even big, it's small, so it was a rabbit, not a groundhog. So another thing I don't believe I'll be wanting to use too much anymore of are these zip ties. So they're real handy, but I was cutting them off with my knife, and then I thought, no, I'm just going to try to get a pair of scissors. But then I learned, and watch, it won't do it now. I just pulled on there. See, I pull on this wire and they pop off. And I mentioned that to Sam, and he said, yeah, the sun degrades them now, and they didn't used to be like that. So that would be super easy to pull them all off, but you saw that one, it just went flying. So I am actually using nippers, those right there, nippers, to cut them off, because I don't leave stuff like that in my yard, and if I find these all over the garden, I would really start getting upset. I end my day with a pocket full of little bits of this and that's garbage, things that won't biodegrade. I mean, I'm talking like little pieces of plastic, and it's like, how the heck did that get there? And then way back when, a long time ago, I actually used plastic as a mulch underneath something. Oh my gosh, I'm still picking pieces of that up. There are things you should never, ever, ever use. Plastic as mulch is one of them. Tarps, I'm tired of tarps. They last a year or two, but then they start shredding and you get those little long blue shreds everywhere. I don't want that either. So this is what I'm working on today. Today is like just a what's it called? A fix-it day. So Sam worked on my truck yesterday and is waiting for a part to finish my air conditioner in my truck. He's working on this car. He has to change something underneath of it. It was making a noise. And then right now he's working on this truck right there, doing something. And he has a friend who is a mechanic, but he may be coming down later so they can play cars together. I don't know. And then we'll put some burgers on the grill. But Sam can pretty much do anything. He's my tree identifier. He's just a Mr. Fix-It. He's an all-around good at everything sort of person. But so that's it. That's what I did. That's what I'm doing, working on today. And so let me know, what are you doing today? How's your garden coming along? Be blessed, everyone.